So before we start off this video, I'd like to give you guys a quick thank you for all the orders you guys have made on bflakessupply. If you guys want to go ahead and check out my web store, go ahead and do so. We've been moving product, but there is a lot of steals and deals available on the web store, so go ahead and check that out. Before we start off, let's try and get this video up to 45 likes, maybe 10 comments. I really do appreciate you guys on the recent love and the interaction in the last videos. So I'll catch you guys in the next clip. You guys have a good day. Peace. Enjoy the video. Yo, what's Gucci, everybody on YouTube? Thank you guys for tuning in back to another video on this channel, and this video is going to be a nice little unboxing for you guys. We are just unboxing a whole bunch of stuff coming in the mail, but this one's kind of important just because I did a video in the past about this brand, and I just wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on with them and how they changed their whole shipping confirmation and all that stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Sit back, relax, and let's just hop into it. So I have a little box here just to show you guys what I picked up from Nordstrom. These are on sale, and I did own these before and I haven't used them in a while, but I figured out just because it was free shipping and it was on sale, why not purchase it. I purchased these Jason Markk shoe wipes, the cleaning wipes, for $15. I'm not too sure if they're on sale still, but if you guys are interested in that, I suggest going ahead and check out the web store, Nordstrom, I believe. If I can find it, I'll link it down below, but these come with 30 individual shoe cleaning wipes, and I thought $15 ship wasn't a bad idea to buy these. So let's just hop into the unboxing from Kill the Hype. But before I do so, a couple of you guys asked for a hat collection video. I don't really own a lot of hats, but I figured why not go ahead and show you guys the ones that I do have right here. I only own 3 pairs of hats, or 3 pairs, head ass boy, 3 hats, and then the one that's in this box that I'm about to show you guys. So the first one I actually wear the most. It is the Seattle Mariner upside down. You have Kill the Hype in cursive, and then the nice little logo that they have. Kill the Hype on the back. This Seahawks hat is just a random vintage Seahawks hat that I wear from time to time. But I'm gonna throw on the black one because this one is actually my favorite. I love how it looks on me. I love how it looks way better than the LA hats, just because it's kind of, I don't know, more simplistic, I guess. And then the other hat that I own from Kill the Hype is this upside down LA Dodger hat. I do wear this from time to time, but I don't wear it as much as the Seattle Mariner hat. If you guys do follow me on Instagram, which you guys should, I do wear this in a lot of the pictures, so don't roast me for it. But this LA Dodger one is not too bad. You got the forest green and then the nice little logo on the side. Kill the Hype on the back. I don't mind this one. I did wear this in the last. So just to give you guys a little update on what they did on their web store, they did make all the hats ship to sale. So every hat that you order now is just made to ship. It's not a pre-order like they did before. So in the last video, a couple of questions you guys had was, did it really take 6 months? Yes, it did at times, and some people did agree with me on that. It usually took like 3 to 4 months to get your hat. But as far as the hats now and how their web store is running, it is shipped to sale. I ordered this about a month ago, or like 2-3 weeks ago. I'm not too sure how long. All right, you guys, I keep talking. Like I said, let's just unbox this for you guys. I did order 1 hat this time. At the time I wanted to order 2, but I just didn't make my mind up on which ones I wanted to order. So I went ahead and copped 1 for now, but hopefully they do a drop soon. I'm sure they will. Not to throw any shade or anything, but there are brands out there that are copying the whole upside down LA Dodger thing, and I'll put a picture of their brand right here. If you guys would like to order from them, go ahead and do so. But I would like to say this, that KTH did it first. I also support the brands who did it first. I don't really like biters, even though there's some brands that I may be rocking that are biting off other stuff, but I'm always gonna rock with the original people. So shout out to KTH for being the first ones to really do this whole upside down logo wave thing. So looking in this box, I'm actually really excited as far as what I got. I only got 1 hat, like I said, but I got the white and black upside down LA Dodger hat. This is actually super clean, and I do see myself wearing this. So here it is, guys, just a quick little pickup video for you guys, but I do have the black and cream white LA Dodger upside down hat. You have the logo on the side like I do on this one, the upside down LA Dodger logo, and then on the back, Kill the Hype. I actually do like this white. It's not like super white like it would be on these Nike socks. It's more of like a cream white, so nice little detail to that. A couple of you guys DM me on Instagram asking how did I bend the brim of this hat. I just do this throughout the day, literally just hold it and then throw it on, and then when I'm bored or driving, I'll just keep doing this so my hat stays bent on the brim and doesn't flatten out and stuff. Like literally I'll just mess around with it. You can ask my girlfriend who's right next to me. I'll just keep doing this to my hats. I literally do it to all of them. You just connect both sides, and then the brim is curved, as you guys can see. I recently did see this on Instagram as far as some people rubber banding their brims and then holding it there for a couple of hours. So if you guys want a demonstration, you literally get 2 rubber bands, bend the brim how you want it to, and then hold it there, keep it there for like 30-40 minutes. It does stay, it's pretty nice, I guess you can say. So if you guys want to, you know, learn how to bend your brims, you guys can go ahead and do so. I'm gonna do the same on this. It's flat, as you guys can see. Boom, bend it, you know, to how you want it to. It's like breaking it. It might make people cringe, but it's, I don't know, I'm not gonna wear this hat flat brimmed. So boom, here you guys. Oh, it doesn't fit my big ass head, bro. Excuse the hair. I'm sure a couple of you guys are struggling with haircuts and stuff like that, so I've just been pushing it back. But yeah, so as you guys can see, I'll do this with the hat. It did come flat brimmed, and then I'll just toss it on. There is the hat on my head. I'm actually really excited about this hat. I just don't want to get it dirty, but I do like how it does look on me. So shout out to KTH for what they're doing. A quick little pickup video for you. So here's my nice little KTH snapback collection, I guess you can say. Maybe people think I have a lot more hats than I actually do. I literally only have these 3 and then the Seahawk hat that I was wearing in the beginning. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys aren't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. You guys can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Links to everything will be down below in the description box. Please go ahead and check out the web store as well. It does mean a lot to me when you guys are shopping with your boy on bflakessupply. So thank you guys for all the recent orders. And yeah, hopefully you guys are staying safe out there. I'll catch you guys in the next video. You guys have a good one. So if you guys are tuning in to the end of this video, I really do appreciate you guys. For those who comment the stuff that I've been saying, comment LA, all that good stuff, whatever it is. If you guys are watching right now, go ahead and comment no cap so I know you guys stayed to the end of this video. And for those who comment no cap, I really do appreciate you guys. You guys are the best, who actually stay and watch through the whole thing.